Are you living in Bengaluru but still struggling to speak Kannada confidently? ಯೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಡಿ. ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. This is Pavitra and welcome to ಭಾಷೆ ಸಿರಿ. After a long break, I am finally back. I am a Kannada language trainer with over 10 years of experience. One thing I always notice is many people really want to learn Kannada, especially people living in Bengaluru, but not everyone can afford one-on-one personal training. So I thought, why not create a platform where anyone can learn Kannada easily in a simple and practical way for free? On this channel, you will learn spoken Kannada for daily conversations, academic Kannada for students, and also easy grammar explained step by step. If you are a beginner or someone living in Bengaluru or you understand Kannada but struggle to speak, this channel is for you. I will make sure you don't just learn Kannada but actually start speaking it confidently. I'll be posting regular videos including lessons, practice sessions and quick tips. So make sure you subscribe to Bhashe Siri and start your Kannada learning journey today. And comment below, why do you want to learn Kannada? ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು. See you in the next video. Bye bye.